Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to edit with Capcut. Anyways, we have a lot of editing app, but we all know that Capcut is one of the amazing video editing app, and I know a lot of us don't know how to use Capcut in video editing. So I'm just going to guide the beginners. If you've not heard about Capcut, or you've heard about it but you don't even know where to start, you've never even seen the app, you've never even opened it, you don't even know how to start. In this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can be able to use Capcut without any problem. So please, if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be able to see our videos whenever we upload our video, and also hit on the like button to like our videos. Please, thank you for subscribing. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the tutorial so that you see how you can be able to navigate through your Capcut. Capcut has a lot of amazing features for video editing, honestly, I'm telling you, so you will not regret it. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to capture every tutorial that we're going to do on this video.
Good everyone, welcome to this video editing tutorial. My name is Luchi. So I'm going to take you guys to where we can download the app that we'll be using for this video editing class. The name of the app is Capcut. Let's go to Play Store. You go to Play Store and type Capcut. So this is the app that we're using for this tutorial. This is Capcut. So because I already have it in my phone, it's showing updates here. But if you don't have it in your phone, what will be showing here, you will see install here. Then you have to download it and install it in your phone. So let's go over to Capcut. Let's open the Capcut. So once you open your Capcut, this is how it will be looking. So first of all, if you want to edit any video, you have to click on this new project here. Click on new project to import the video that you want to edit from your gallery. So let's click on the new project here and import the video that you want to use for the editing. So you're searching for the video. Okay, let's select this video. You click on add. So this is the video that you want to edit here. I remove the volume so that it will not disturb us in this tutorial. So this is the video that you want to edit that you just imported from our gallery, and these are the features that you can use to edit this video. These are the features here. Look at the features here. And then so look at the features here. So this is the video that I want to edit. Then I want to edit this video. Let's say for instance there are some parts of the video that I want to cut out. Then you have to click on the video to highlight it. Can you see it has been highlighted? This white feature here that is showing here shows that it has been highlighted. Then you click on it, and when it starts playing, then you click on split here to split the video into two parts. Can you see the video has been split into two parts? This first part here and this second part here. So for instance, if you want to delete any part of this video here, let's assume you want to delete the first part, you just click on it like this to highlight it, and you delete it out of, and click on delete. And if you want to bring the deleted video back, you click on undo here. This is the undo button here. You click on it and the video will come back. So the one that we've deleted already has already come back. So can you see it's back? So if you want to delete the last part of the video, just click on highlight that last part, then you delete it. And let's say for instance that you want to delete any part of the video at the center, then you have to click on the video as the video is playing. When you reach the part that you don't want, you click on split button here, then you split it. Then when you reach the part that you want to delete, you click on split button again, then you've already highlighted it. Can you see the center has been highlighted? If you want to delete the center, just click on that center like this, click on the center here to highlight the video, the part that you want to delete, then click on delete button. Nice. Can you see? If it's this last part that you want to delete, the last part of the video that you want to delete, click on it like this to highlight it, and click on delete button here, and you delete it. So another thing again is, if you want to add another video to this video, then you click on this plus button here and search for the video that you want to add. So you want to add this video here, click on it, click on add. We've already brought in another video. Can you see? So we've already added another video. Let's play it so that you see it. Can you see the second video has started playing? So that's how to add another video. After editing your videos, all you need to do to save your video is to come here and click on this arrow here to export it to your gallery. Let's click on it. Click on it. We'll wait for it to be exported to our gallery. As you can see, you can find our video here. You can find our video here on this project. In case after editing your videos and you made mistake in some parts, or you want to add something to the one that you've already edited, all you need to do is just to come here and click on this video, on this one that is on project, and start adding the necessary things that you forgot or you want to add again. So let's go to our gallery to see the video that we just edited. Let's open our gallery. So can you see this is the video that we just edited? Click on it. Let's see. Can you see it? It has already been saved in our gallery. So this is just introduction to the video editing. See you in our next video.
So welcome back. You all have seen how you can be able to navigate through your Capcut. That's just the introduction to Capcut for beginners. In our subsequent videos, we will be bringing to you step by step on how you will be able to edit your videos, how you can be able to brighten your videos, how you will be able to use so many features in your videos, how to use caption, how to use so many sounds, all those how to blur your background, how to use so many things in Capcut is so amazing. Just stay tuned in the next video so that you'll be able to benefit from all those videos that will be putting out very soon. Please, if you've not subscribed, if you watched to this extent and not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. Subscribe now. Subscribe, please, Joe. Thank you for subscribing. And also hit on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever you upload our videos. Please, if you've not liked our video, do well to like our videos. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our next video. Bye bye.